What's up, guys? My name is Gurman Singh, and you are watching NutraFit Beast. Welcome back to Motivation Monday, guys. I hope you all are doing well. And in this video, we are going to talk about Stoicism. So, guys, I think most of लोगों को शायद Stoicism के बारे में पता नहीं होगा. And if you know, that's a really good thing. And basically, Stoicism का मतलब है to sit still in adversity and not complain. And by this इसका मतलब है कि जब भी हमारे ऊपर कोई डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम आता है एंड वेन एवर देयर इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम यू जस्ट सिट स्टिल एंड डू द वर्क एंड डोंट कंप्लेन. सो गाइज, स्टोइसिज्म एक ग्रीक फ़िलॉसफी है जो कि बहुत पुराने टाइम से चल रही है एंड आई डोंट नो कि कितने लोगों को पता होगा. सो स्टोइसिज्म एक ऐसी चीज़ है गाइज जिसने मुझे बहुत चेंज करा है, बिकॉज स्टोइसिज्म बेसिकली it focuses on detaching yourself from the world, and the detachment is really important because nowadays हम देखते हैं world is getting very chaotic. I mean बहुत chaos हो रहा है world में. कोरोना वायरस, I mean UFOs, whatever it is. I mean it is fake or not, but UFOs, US news like racism, all of that. But whenever we look inside, कभी आप लोगों ने ये सोचा that does it somehow deep within your life really matters? I mean जब भी हम अपने आप को withdraw करते हैं from the world, I don't think कि हमारी life, even if we look at life which minimalistic life, it shows us that we don't have this much impact on such things, and all the control we have in our life is basically on very few things and on very few people, I mean whom we can influence. So guys, I'm going to tell you about the 3 things which Stoicism tells, and Stoicism have actually moved me, and Stoicism is a thing that I preach. It's a practice that I preach, and I will tell you the 3 ways you can actually do it. So the first is withdraw yourself from the world, and by withdrawing I means कि एकदम ही भाई पीछे हट के एंड जस्ट डोंट सिट देयर एंड डू नथिंग. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है दैट यू शुड डू नथिंग. इट मीन्स दैट विड्रॉइंग योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड, लाइक ऑल द chaos going on, detach your mind from that, like which we talk about mental peace and health. So detach your mind and you will find that you are much more calmer and you are much more stronger. And our mind is like a river. Our mind is basically like a river, and जब भी इसमें thoughts आते हैं, these thoughts are like small streams, and when they get inside and when it starts infecting our mind, our peace really get infected. So guys, Stoicism से हमें यही सीखने को मिलता है that we should withdraw ourselves from the chaos and these things. And secondly, you should not control things which are out of your control. You should not even try to control them because they are actually out of your control. And there are a lot of things in our life which are out of our control. I mean, like for instance death and coronavirus and financial crisis which is not infected by you, which you did not start, and the things which are out of our control, like some other person's thoughts, किसी और के thoughts and किसी और की feelings, they are actually out of your control. You cannot control them. So these things are out of your control, and हमें stress तब होता है when we try to control things which are actually out of our control and we don't have anything on it. So इससे होगा क्या, our stress will increase. We will not have space to do our work. We will not have space to practice our purpose and to move towards our goal. So stoicism also teaches you to just accept the chaos and not even try to control things which are actually out of your control, because हमारे efforts and हमारी जितनी भी will power है, our will power is like a muscle, and हमारी will power जब ये muscle हम over use कर लेते हैं, it will get tired and हम फिर नहीं कर पाएंगे. It will be impossible for us to just do the things that क्यों? Why do you even want to control things which are out of your control? These things are not meant to be controlled. And the third thing is that our mind, what I've learned, our mind is programmed in a way to function like seek pleasure and avoid pain. And that's the basic philosophy of on our minds. And because हम देखते हैं कि जब भी हमें कोई मुश्किल चीज़ हमें कोई लगती है, and we just need to avoid it, हमें avoid करना है, and we just need something to chill, might start a series and just chill there. So our mind is programmed in a way, I don't know, it is by the society or it's something biological or something, but we always seek to avoid pain, and our mind works like that. Whenever जब भी हम जिम में होते हैं, and whenever we are working on our goals and as soon as something hard strikes us, we just want to avoid it. We don't want to do it. And even जब भी हम करते हैं, we become so heartless by doing that. We are doing it. That's not it, guys. Because if you learn how your mind works, you can actually figure out things in your life, and that is the best thing that stoicism has taught me. That first of all, do not seek to avoid pain in life, because your whole life is a pain, and basically sadness and also happiness, these both are illusions which come and go, and because if we look at it, we are sad because of the outer circumstances, and we are happy because of the outer circumstances. And ये क्या शो करता है? Are we the victims of our outer circumstances? अगर बाहर इतना chaos होगा तो हम दुखी हो जाएंगे, एंड अगर बाहर बहुत सब कुछ खुश चलेगा, सब कुछ सही होगा, everything is happy, तो हम खुश हो जाएंगे. What are we? Are we puppets? Obviously not, man. We are not fucking puppets, okay? We are not fucking puppets, and nobody should have control over you. Nothing and nobody should have control over you. Your happiness should be your priority, and your happiness should generate from within. Outer circumstances तो change होते रहेंगे. They will keep on changing. You will not have any control over them. They will make you sad and then they will make you happy. What will you do? You just have to be happy from within. Besides that, if you want to be controlled by the world, then let it be. Skip this video. This is the truth. This is the truth that I just spoke. And ये चीज़ I think बहुत लोग नहीं बता रहे हैं. and this is a thing which is actually missing from our society, because we at the point of time we are so distracted and so we are not detached from the world. and जब भी हम अपने आप को पीछे करते हैं, I mean we detach from the downward pull of the society, then we start to see the reality of how it is actually making us feel. And let nobody tell you that even if there is no reason to be happy, you should be happy, and happiness is a priority, because chaos and all these things will keep on going, they will keep on striking. Life will become an endless loop of problems. You will stuck in them, and it will just keep on coming going. You will not have a way out. And हमें ऐसा लगता है that we should have some kind of power. The power is in your mind. Power हमारे mind में है, and this power resides in our soul, and this thing can actually, detaching yourself from the world will really help you. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope I really moved you and gave you some different perspective about how I think. And yeah, that's it for today. Until next Monday, this is Gurban Singh. You are watching New Traffic. Please, thank you for